Swing full day for the US crude WTI, while NGS again traded bearish. It has breached below 3, and in fact it has gone towards 2.8 and 2.78 levels. I asked you to remain short at 3, and I hope you all profited. At the same time, the crude also has shown a little swing. So now what to expect today? But remember, crude failed to go past. It approached that 81.4. Remember, I told you 81, above 81, 81.4 can be a good resistance, and precisely it has gone close to it. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into US crude WTI followed with natural gas. Watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. The next update on US crude will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Now let's start on the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, see there higher lows. Now see, this flat head is seen here where you can find a stronger resistance again back at 80.8. So once again I will say the same. Yesterday also I told you beyond 80.8 you can buy and then expect 81, 81.4 as a good resistance, and if it breaks past 81.4, that is the level beyond which you can expect little bullishness there, and then it may continue to head till towards 82 levels. So that is first part. Second part, on the downside, see, now I will definitely look forward for it to breach below $80 levels. Once it trades below 80, see, this zone is important. Once it trades below 80, you can expect 79.7, 79.4 and then 79 levels. Till 79 it has got good support. Below that further bearishness can be expected. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic has seen a drop. The MACD is seen converging. RSI is flat there. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, now look at 2 hour charts here. See these two candles showing the extreme swings in just 4 hours. At the same time, see these multiple candles. Now this reflects 80.8 is certainly a very good resistance, and it is trying to stay below it. Probably now a second red candle may follow, which might in fact take it till towards 80.2 or 80. But look at 80 levels certainly be a good support here. So rather, I will recommend do not trade between 79.8 and 80.8 levels. In between these $1, you have to trade with extreme caution. Below 79.8, you can expect further bearishness, which might take it till towards 79.4, 79 levels, and below that a good drop can be seen. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish. Stochastic is looking down. The MACD is in green, however trading with very little divergence. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts here, similar is the observation, and possibly little more bearishness below 79.8 can be seen, taking it till towards 79.4 and 79 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic trying to look down. The MACD is bearish. It can probably converge crossover, but I will wait for it to. RSI looking down here. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. Now more importantly on the 4-hour chart, this candle is trying to break out, and if it continues to do so, at least 79 point, at least 80 levels can be seen, and below that further bearishness will be expected. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic flat. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is looking down. Now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, the new candle here is yet not started on this app, and right now it is trying to close with the indecision at the same levels where we had seen it yesterday. Now on the one hand, lower lows were seen. On the second hand, lower highs are seen. So this is a typical bearish indication, but once it trades below this zone at 79.8, you can expect further bearishness. In fact, you can sell at 80 and expect 79.8 and 79.5 levels, and if it breaks below 79.5, further bearishness will be seen there. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is trying to converge. RSI is flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 80.8 levels, beyond which 81, 81.2, rather beyond 80.8 you can expect 81.2, 81.4 zone as the first support level, and then beyond that it can fly strongly till towards 82, 82.5. in fact, further bullish move, 82.6 definitely, and then beyond that, further bullish move can be seen. On the downside, you can take a sell and trade 70, 80 levels itself. Below that, you can expect 79.8, 79.54, and then below that, further bearishness might take it till towards 79 and 78 levels. Now, if you look at the daily charts, also importantly, you must observe higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Probably it can reverse. If it tries to reverse, it can close above 82 this time. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can trade with confidence, you can trade with profits. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, on the hourly chart for net gas, you can find, see, this is the level that is 2.9, which I will recommend you to buy, but then expect 2.95 as the first resistance, and only if it trades above 3, consider it as for a little reversal. So $3 levels is something you have to be watchful of. Only and only if net gas is seen trading above 3, you can buy, and then a good rally can be expected. So this is one part to it. At the same time, on the downside, yes, 2.8 is a good support, but let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic oversold trying to rise, direction movement bearish, the MACD is also bearish trying to converge, the RSI is trading oversold again on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see the previous two candles, a long tail and a long wick, you can see. Now it indicates there is an upward pressure here. So possibly once it trades beyond 2.95, 2.85 itself, you can buy for 2.9 levels. And if it breaks past 2.9, then only little more bullishness can be confirmed. Now if you look at the channel there, the channel highs is at around 2.95, which is definitely a very stronger resistance for net gas. And yes, $3 levels is the ultimate level below beyond which it can be considered for a little reversal on the upside. Directional movement extremely divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish here. It has come to the bottom there. And if you look at the RSI, this is also oversold here. Now, if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, similar is the observation. Another observation here is the 2050 100 period moving averages are started to look downwards, curve downwards, and are trading with divergence. Now, look at the 3-hour charts here. Once it trades past 2.85, you can buy, but then expect till 2.9, you have to remain alert. Till 2.9, 2.9, you have to be watchful and cautious, and once it trades beyond 2.95 and 3, then only you can consider it to be little bullish. Remember, $3 is the level beyond which it should be considered for a little reversal. Till $3 levels, it can swing on the downside again. It can drop sharply again, and hence you should remain cautious. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold here. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour chart, see it has formed a wick. It is trying to retrace again on the downside, and on the downside I will recommend you to sell only below 2.78 levels, below which you can expect little bearishness. So 2.78 and 2.85, I think this zone should be a no trade zone. And if you are taking a buy at 2.85, you should be cautious till towards 2.9, 2.95 and $3 levels. Only above 3 you can consider a little bullish momentum can be seen. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, two candles of similar, see, body size is similar, wick size is almost similar, or it may continue to do so. Now I will wait for the next candle, and in the next candle, once it trades above 3, then you can consider it for a little reversal, where you can expect that it may try to achieve the lower highs, which is situated at around 3.2 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking down again, MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is oversold and this is extremely oversold here. So considering this, that gas you should buy at 2.85, but then remember, once again I am warning you, till $3 levels you have to remain alert for that gas as it can reverse again on the downside. And if you are buying at 2.85, the stop loss should be at 2.78, and below 2.78 you can go for a sell where you can expect 2.74, 2.7, and then 2.6, 2.5 levels to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.